They're the unsung heroes that help deliver your product safely and securely. Box packaging might seem simple, but it is a powerful marketing tool. You can add some clever copy to make your customers smile, or highlight your logo to make your brand shine. Want to know the secrets to successful box packaging? This video is here to help. There are 3 key layers to packaging: product, inner, and outer. Product packaging, or primary packaging, is the first layer. Think a wine bottle, vacuum-sealed snacks, or a phone case. It's what customers see on store shelves. Inner packaging adds protection. It might be a sleeve, foam insert, or wrapper that keeps products safe, secure, and even fresh. It can be purely functional or reusable and eco-friendly. Outer packaging, or secondary packaging, is the box that gets your product from A to B. Businesses often focus on cost and durability here, but that doesn't mean it can't be branded. How you balance practicality with personality is up to you. So, how do you pick the right box for your business? Start with your product. Does the box support its shape and weight? Is there room for inserts, documents, or branded touches? Next, consider shipping and storage. Are your boxes easy to stack? Do they meet courier requirements? And what will they cost to send? And maybe, most importantly, what's your budget? There's no point designing the perfect box if you can't afford to produce it at scale. And finally, ask yourself, when a customer sees your box on their doorstep, how do you want them to feel? That feeling should guide every packaging choice you make. Now it's time for the fun stuff. You're ready to start designing your packages, but where to begin? Here are our top tips to help you create packages that spotlight your brand and show off your very special business. Tip 1. Keep your logo front and center. Your logo is like your signature. Make sure it's clear and visible, whether you use a bold background or minimalist design. Tip 2. Play with fonts, colors, and shapes. Choose a font that fits your brand. Serif fonts are classic, sans serif fonts feel modern, and script fonts add elegance or fun. Use color to create mood, bright for bold, muted for premium. And don't be afraid to explore creative box shapes like pillows, gables, or hexagons. Tip 3. Be kind to the planet. Packaging design isn't just about looks, it's about values. Where possible, use recyclable materials like corrugated cardboard and avoid excess. If sustainability is part of your brand story, tell it right on the box. Tip 4. Add a little magic. Ribbons, tassels, and stickers can make your packaging pop and become mini keepsakes. A quirky quote on a reusable ribbon or a branded sticker can turn unboxing into a shareable moment. And voila! From box types and sizes to the wonderful world of design, creating the perfect packaging is about so much more than delivering products safely. Ready to design your very own boxes? Explore our range of custom packaging and so much more with VistaPrint. Now that's thinking outside the box. See you next time.